today it's Mother's Day. क्या कुछ कहना है? What is wishes from your side for today's Mother's Day? And आज आप event पे, how was this experience?
I feel very lucky, very blessed that I'm a mother to Arav, and I'm loving and enjoying every bit of my motherhood. This event is super fun. Arav ने भी बहुत मजे किए. Just that Bombay heat is getting to us, but otherwise this was so much fun. बहुत मजा आया. So many nice activities. Such a gorgeous place, spacious place. So it was a great event. हमें अभी जब हम खुद माँ बन गए हैं तो बस ऐसा लगता है कि हम हमारी मदर्स को ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते. So it should not just be the Mother's Day when we should appreciate our moms. Every day should be special for them क्योंकि हमारी moms हमारे लिए कितना कुछ करती हैं, कितना कुछ give up करती हैं. So in fact after Arav मुझे भी एहसास हुआ and मैं ज़्यादा बोलती नहीं हूँ लेकिन अब इतने कैमरास हैं तो बोल देती हूँ. ममा I love you and happy Mother's Day.
करण भाई और अंकिता, आज मदर्स डे का आज जो ओकेजन है किस तरीके से आप लोगों ने सेलिब्रेट किया एंड आल्सो टेल अस अबाउट द इवेंट ओवर हियर.
Mother's Day is always a special day because I think we all are because of mothers.
Yeah.
है ना?
Can I have all the mommies inside the restaurant please with your free musical chair?
देखो माओ की डिमांड
All the
देखो.
mommies please
And
come.
having said that also, and it is Mother's Day and Ankita's first event, so I think she'll be able to tell you better about it.
आपको याद है करण भाई मम्मी के साथ में
Sorry?
मदर्स डे पे आपको अपनी मम्मी का कुछ याद आता है?
मम्मी खुद आई हैं. मम्मी की याद क्यों होगी जब मम्मी साथ है मेरे.
कुछ याद
All the mommies please come inside the
बचपन में तो
restaurant with
यार
your
ये
free
मदर्स डे वगैरह तो हमारे बड़े होने के बाद सेलिब्रेट होना शुरू हुआ है. बचपन में तो आई थिंक एवरी डे टू बी मदर्स डे बिकॉज माँ तो हम रोज ही खाते थे.
क्या बात.
तो आई थिंक एंड मदर्स डे नहीं होता. आई थिंक मदर्स आर द मोस्ट स्पेशल थिंग इन anyone's life. So I think the entire life has to be dedicated to a mother. Not just one day can't suffice.
Also Ankita ma'am, I would like to know from your side what came in your mind to get this initiative done for mothers.
Well, you know, I feel
Please come inside the restaurant with a free musical chair.
as Karan correctly mentioned,
Yep.
whole year should be dedicated to mothers, considering the kind of hard work that goes behind bringing up a little child and making sure that the experiences they get on a daily basis are fruitful and meaningful. But I believe if there's just one day where mothers can just let loose, let their hair down, relax, and also be next to their kids, making sure that they are also having fun and not feeling left out, वो एक चीज़ missing थी. Otherwise पूरे 12 महीने ना either we are driving them to a class or to a birthday party or to their school, we're just around them and making sure they are having fun. I wanted to create this one day wherein mothers could also just have fun.
I
And
think
I'm
mothers and
glad,
kids could party together basically.
basically, and I'm glad that it's happening because fathers have also joined in. They are making sure the kids are having fun and the mothers are chilling and just dancing and playing games. So that is what the intention was, and I'm glad it's happening.
And thank you for you guys for taking this message ahead ताकि और भी लोग ऐसा कुछ प्लान करें लोगों के लिए.
Yeah.
Lastly a message from your all side. क्या कुछ रहने वाला है fans के लिए, viewers के लिए for this Mother's Day?
Fans के लिए Mother's Day मतलब as in I didn't get it.
Like what is the message that you want to convey to
them,
them
yeah,
for
I
their
think-
mothers?
For their mothers.
Yeah.
For all the mothers, I would
Yeah.
say.
Behave with them whole year round.
And
Do
I
not
would
scold
just-
them. Don't talk to them badly.
I would rather
Give
say
them
that for
respect
all the
all
mothers,
year round.
Yeah.
Bless your kids, bless other kids, bless everybody because I think there's nothing bigger than a mother's blessing. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Thank you.